Smart Child Zone presents Calculations in Chemistry. The nucleus of an atom consists of a tightly packed arrangement of protons and neutrons. These are the two heavy particles in an atom, and hence 99.9% of the mass is concentrated in the nucleus. Of the two, the protons possess a net positive charge, and hence the nucleus of an atom is positively charged on the whole, and the negatively charged electrons revolve around the central nucleus. The number of protons in the nucleus of an atom is called the atomic number. For example, hydrogen has the atomic number 1, all hydrogen atoms have 1 proton in their nuclei. Helium has the atomic number 2, all helium atoms have 2 protons in their nuclei. There is no such thing as a hydrogen atom with 2 protons in its nucleus. A nucleus with 2 protons would be a helium atom. The atomic number defines an element. From this periodic table, you can determine the number of protons in the nucleus of any element. What is the number of protons in the nucleus of each of these elements? According to the periodic table, aluminum has an atomic number of 13. Therefore, every aluminum atom has 13 protons in its nucleus. Iron has an atomic number of 26. Therefore, every iron atom has 26 protons in its nucleus. Carbon has an atomic number of 6. Therefore, every carbon atom has 6 protons in its nucleus. How many electrons are present in the atoms of each element? The atomic number of sulfur is 16. Therefore, in a neutral atom of sulfur, there are 16 electrons. The atomic number of tungsten is 74. Therefore, in a neutral atom of tungsten, there are 74 electrons. The atomic number of argon is 18. Therefore, in a neutral atom of argon, there are 18 electrons. Given that the percentage abundance of chlorine isotopes are 75% and 25%. Calculate the relative atomic mass of chlorine. The formula for relative atomic mass is equals average mass of isotopes of the element. Bromine has 2 isotopes, Br79 and Br81. Both exist in equal amounts. Calculate the relative atomic mass of bromine. The neon element has 3 isotopes. They are 90.92%, 0.26%, and 8.82%. Find its relative atomic mass. What is the elemental atomic mass of naturally occurring silicon? The naturally occurring isotopes and their isotopic abundances are. Note that the natural abundances must add up to 100%. Calculate the average atomic weight of carbon with the data below. To calculate the average atomic weight, each exact atomic weight is multiplied by its percent abundance, expressed as a decimal. Then, add the results together and round off to an appropriate number of significant figures. Calculate the average atomic weight of nitrogen with the data. In a sample of 400 lithium atoms, it is found that 30 atoms are lithium 6.015 gram per mole, and 370 atoms are lithium 7.016 gram per mole. Calculate the average atomic mass of lithium. A sample of element X contained 100 atoms with a mass of 12.00, and 10 atoms with a mass of 14.00. Calculate the average atomic mass of element X. Here's another way we can solve this. Boron has an atomic mass of 10.81 atomic mass unit according to the periodic table. However, no single atom of boron has a mass of 10.81 AMU. How can you explain this difference? 10.81 AMU is an average, specifically a weighted average. It turns out that there are two stable isotopes of boron: boron 10 and boron 11. Neither isotope weighs 10.81 AMU, but you can arrive at 10.81 AMU like this. Copper occurs naturally as Cu-63 and Cu-65. Which isotope is more abundant? Looking up the atomic weight of copper, which is 63.546 AMU. Since our average value is closer to 63 than to 65, we conclude that Cu-63 is the more abundant isotope. Copper has two naturally occurring isotopes. Cu-63 has an atomic mass of 62.9296 AMU and an abundance of 69.15%. 1. What is the atomic mass of the second isotope? 2. What is its nuclear symbol? This is used in situations, such as the Internet, where the subscript-superscript notation cannot be reproduced. You might also see this. Neon has two major isotopes, neon 20 and neon 22. Out of every 250 neon atoms, 225 will be neon 20, 19.992 gram per mole, and 25 will be neon 22, 21.991 gram per mole. What is the average atomic mass of neon? The relative atomic mass of neon is 20.18. It consists of 3 isotopes with the masses of 20, 21, and 22. It consists of 90.5% of Ne20. Determine the percent abundances of the other 2 isotopes. Naturally occurring iodine has an atomic mass of 126.9045. A 12.3849 gram sample of iodine is accidentally contaminated with 1.0007 G of I-129, a synthetic radioisotope of iodine used in the treatment of certain diseases of the thyroid gland. The mass of I-129 is 128.9050 AMU. Find the apparent atomic mass of the contaminated iodine. A sample of oxygen contains the following isotopes. What is the relative atomic mass of oxygen in this sample? Calculate the atomic mass of nickel using the information provided in the following table. To find the atomic mass of nickel, the atomic mass of each isotope is multiplied by the relative abundance. And then the individual masses are added together. The atomic mass of nickel is equal to 58.69337 AMU. For more videos and other useful materials, visit us at www.smartchildzone.com/videos. Register your child and have access to our unlimited number of question and answer exercises. Visit www.smartchildzone.com.